In this video, I will show you how to lock Bybit app. Bybit is a popular platform for trading cryptocurrencies, and locking the app adds an extra layer of safety. This means that only you can access your account, even if someone else has your phone. To begin, locate and open the Bybit app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged in so we can access the settings needed for this setup. Once inside the app, you'll find your profile icon. Tap on it to proceed. Now, look towards the top right corner of your screen for a gear icon. Go ahead and tap on it. You are now on the settings page. Tap on Security. In this section, scroll down a bit and tap App Lock. Here, you will see two locking methods: Pattern Lock and Face ID. For enhanced security and convenience, let's choose Face ID today. To enable this feature, toggle on the switch next to Face ID. After toggling it on, you'll be prompted to enter your login password for verification purposes. Type in your password carefully and tap Confirm. Next, a pop-up will appear asking for permissions. Tap Allow to grant access for using Face ID with the App Lock feature. Congratulations! The Bybit app is now successfully locked with Face ID. From now on, every time you exit and then reopen the app, it will prompt you for Face ID authentication before granting access. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.